Hello, thank you all for tuning into my YouTube channel. I do appreciate it, and if you're not already subscribing, you should definitely consider doing that. So for a while now, I thought about doing a video series, like a complete series where we're going to talk about getting data, we're talking about building a database, we're talking about cleaning data, we're talking about modeling data, we're going to visualize data. So in this video series, we are hopefully going to do all of that. So if you're into hockey analytics, you come to the right place for sure. Yeah, so the plan is to post a new video every Wednesday for the next long time, for the next weeks and months. And as I said, we'll be starting off by learning how to get the data. So in the first few videos, we'll be calling the NHL API to get hockey data from the NHL. We'll also be scraping data from the PWHL website. And once we have all the data, that will be the first videos. But then once we have it, we're going to build a database. And for that, we'll be using MySQL. So we'll have a video about installing MySQL, loading data into MySQL, and then we'll do all the data cleaning and data transformations in MySQL. Then I would also like to do a little bit of modeling. So maybe there'll be more videos about it, but the plan right now is to do an XG model. So we'll try and build an XG model from scratch. We'll do all the cleaning and transformation, data transformation in SQL, in MySQL, but then we'll do the actual modeling in Python. And then once we have all the data, we have our database, we have all the clean data, we have our model data, then we'll try and visualize it. So to doing that, we'll be using Power BI. So we'll be installing Power BI, we'll be loading data into Power BI, and we'll do the actual visualizations in Power BI. And finally, we'll publish that. So that's actually the entire project. So we'll be getting data, we'll be putting the data into a database, we'll be cleaning data, we'll be transforming data, we'll be modeling data, and then we'll be visualizing data in the end. And it's gonna take a while, let's be honest, but I hope to post a new video every Wednesday, as I said. And the first video should already be up when you're watching this video. So in the description below, I'm gonna put up all the videos and like make a plan of the future videos. There might be changes along the way, but I'll update the description under this video as we go along. So make sure to get back to this introduction video from time to time. There'll be all the information that you need in the description below. Yeah, that's it. And I'll be turning off the video feed now, and then I'll go to my website and just give you a few examples of the visualizations that we'll hopefully end up building at the very end of this video series. I've now headed over to my website, hockey-statistics.com, and in here you can find articles, you can find data, you can find visualizations. There's a lot here to dig into, but for now we'll just use it to show off a few visualizations that will be similar to what we're trying to build in this video project. So let's just go to the statistics part of the website here, and let's try and open the line tool. So this is a tool or a visualization where you can select up to 3 players, and then it will show the results with those particular 3 players on the ice together. And you can see a radar plot where it compares how they performing compared to how is the team as a whole performing, the red one. And you can see the ice time playing together. And you can remove players, and now it's only how is Alex Ovechkin and Dylan Strome playing together, and you can see they have 550 minutes of ice time together. You can select the different string state and so on. So we want to build a tool that looks somewhat like this tool. So that's one of the end products that we want to come up with. Yeah, so there's even a shot map in here, so it's just a simple plot of all shots with Ovechkin and Strome on the ice together. So yeah, I don't want to talk more about this. This was just to illustrate what it is that we're trying to build. Now, I also just want to show this one. It's a new one and it's not finished yet. But I just wanted to show this visualization because I would like to build something like that as well. So this is a Rink plot where the ring is split into zones. And then you can see data for how, in this case, Zach Hyman is shooting in each zone. So you can hover over it and it will show the data. Or you can click on one and then it will filter all the data. So this is based on only shots from this particular zone. And in this visualization you can see how he's performing against specific goaltenders. He's having success against Binnington and Lundqvist and is struggling against Hellebuck and Uzisaras. Anyway, that was just a few examples of the kind of visualizations that we'll end up with when this is all said and done. So I hope that can be an inspiration to follow these videos because I actually think the end product is quite cool. Yeah, so from here on out I will be posting a new video every Wednesday. That's the plan. The first one should be ready already, so if you want to learn how to get data from the NHL API, you should go to the description of this video and just click on it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a comment under the video or send me email or something. I'll put all the contact information in the description as well. So have fun with it.